I'm in the middle of my Christmas decorating, and there's a few cute ideas that I have using my Cricut. I'm Anna. Let me show you some of my ideas. I picked up this sign from the Dollar Tree, and it looks like a jumbo tag, which I think is kind of fun, but it's cute. It's just not my vibe. It's too colorful, I guess. So I want to remake this. And I have new stockings that came with little tags, but the tags are red. They're actually really, really cute. They have like buffalo check, but I don't have any red in my decor. My colors are more like grays, whites, silvers, like kind of like those cool colors. So I need to make new tags for our stockings, and I still have a couple other ideas. One of them, which I think is really cool. So let's get started. Here's what I have. You already saw the jumbo tag, but I also have little tags, which I'm going to be using to replace the red tags. And then I have leftover tile for my backsplash for my kitchen. Yeah, this one's gonna be really fun. But I want my Cricuted items to be themed and matching, so I picked out some gray and silver vinyl that I'm gonna use on everything, and some images of snowflakes and Christmas trees. I'm going to start with the most basic project, the tags for the stockings. I've printed out our initials and some of the images I mentioned earlier. And I will be decorating the front and the back because these have a tendency to flip, so I want it to be cute on both sides. I just like my things to be cute. Now this is much more my style, and I could be done here, but I want to add just a little bit more. Those little tags turned out really cute, which means I can move on to my next project, the big tag. And I did already cut out like my Cricut images here, but before I move on to that, I need to paint this. I'm not gonna paint the front because it has like a bit of, I don't know, some kind of sparkle, and it's raised, and I feel like you'll be able to see that. And I want it to look a little more professional, so I will be painting the back white. Don't care about having like a super perfect finish. I want it to kind of be like, so you can see the brush stroke. So I'm gonna just kind of attempt to do that. We'll see how this goes. But let's remove this tag because I don't think I'm going to use it. There. I think I need to let this dry overnight, so I'll see you tomorrow. It's the next day and it's time to finish my jumbo tag. I already have my cutouts of the trees, snowflakes, and the words Merry Christmas. So I'm gonna put that on here, and then I have a bunch of these like embellishments. These ones are like, I don't know, bedazzly, rhinestoney things, but I also have a little pearls and just you know, the ones you can get at the dollar store. So I'm gonna then use that to embellish this a little bit more, to make it more Christmassy. These are two separate images of Christmas trees. They're different, and I use the slice tool in Cricut Design Space to make it look like they're one behind the other. So this is all the Cricuting. Now I'm gonna do some bedazzling. Sign's done. Well, it's almost done. It needs its tie. And I have an idea which includes using a washer. Like, yeah, from like nuts and bolts, like a washer. It's gonna go right there. The little tags are done, the big tag sign is done, and now it's on to the tiles. These really are the tiles, like leftover tiles from my kitchen. They've been under the stairs for almost 8 years, and I kind of ignored them, and they're really pretty, and they kind of feel festive, so I'm going to turn them into ornaments. I just think that's such a great idea. It'll kind of like tie like the look of the kitchen with the Christmas decor. I just think it'll be really cool. And I have cut out different size and different shapes of Christmas trees and different snowflakes. And I'm just going to attach them on. And then add a little zhuzhing to make the ornaments look just a little extra cute. So let's get to that. The tiles are on a mesh, but I'm not going to peel them off just yet. I kind of like how they're all nice and secure right now. So they're going to stay here until they're all decorated. These are so adorable. And they were so easy to make. Okay, now to peel them off. There. So see how the back's cream, because it's ceramic and the sides are too? I'm gonna paint that white. Okay. So of course, since I'm making these into ornaments, I need to find a way to hang them. So my first idea was I would glue ribbon to the back and it would hang like this. But I don't like that ledge there. It really looks just like two separate pieces. So for a completely different project, I had ordered these ornament caps. And I think I'm just gonna hot glue them on. See, that looks more like a full piece. I don't know, I just think this looks more like an ornament, not just a tile with ribbon glued to it. So I think this is cute. So I'm gonna start gluing and then painting. My Cricut projects are all done. Now I can decorate with them. And that's some more Christmas decorating crossed off my list. I hope your holiday prep is going well, and thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. If you like this kind of content, consider subscribing. It really helps with the channel. And with that, I'll see you soon with another project. Bye! Oh, that's why it looks dark. There's no light on. I'm staring at a dark light. Duh. There. Off my to-do list. I hope your Christmas prep, your holiday prep, oh gosh. I'm still using my remote and it's awesome, except I forget to turn it on and I keep hitting like the little red button to keep recording and then it doesn't and I think it's broken, but no, it's just me that's broken. I embrace technology just really slowly. Oh, battery died.